Welcome to Middlesex College Library's tutorial on finding a peer-reviewed research study from a sociology journal using the Sociological Abstracts database. First, we need to set some limits for our search. Just below the search boxes, check the box for peer-reviewed to limit to peer-reviewed sources only. For this assignment, the article must be from within the last 10 years. From the drop-down menu, next to where it says publication date, choose after this date and enter the year from 10 years ago into the box. There's no need to enter a month or a day. Below that, in the left window, under Source Type, check Scholarly Journals to limit to only journal articles. In the right window, under Language, scroll down and check English to limit to English language articles only. For this assignment, the article must come from a sociology journal. To limit to sociology journals only, go back to the top and enter the word sociology into the first box. But remove the Y and replace it with an asterisk. Use the drop-down menu to choose publication title. This will limit to journals that have the word sociology, sociological, or sociologist in the journal title. The assignment also requires you to find an empirical research study, which usually means an experiment or survey was conducted. One way you can help narrow your search to mostly empirical studies is by adding the word study. Use the accompanying drop-down menu to choose the abstract of the article. The abstract is a short summary that appears at the top of most scholarly journal articles, and if the word study appears in the abstract, it increases the odds that the article is an empirical study. Now you're ready to enter your search terms. Let's say you're looking for articles about social class and inequality. Click Add a Row to add a new search box and enter your keywords. In this case, social class and inequality. Or you can add a row and enter the two terms on separate lines. Either way, the word "and" should be in between. Click Search. At the top of your results page, you will see the number of records matching your search. For each record, you will see the type of source. In this case, they're all scholarly journals, as well as the title, the author's names, the name of the journal, the volume number, issue number, date, and page numbers. You'll also see brief excerpts from the article that show your search terms in context. As you go through your search results, keep in mind that for this assignment, many professors require the research study to have been conducted in the United States. So avoid articles about other countries unless your professor tells you otherwise. There is a way to limit by country, but it doesn't always work because many articles are not coded by country. However, if you would like to try, go to the left column and click Location. For this search, you can see that there are 16 articles in the United States. Click to see those articles. But keep in mind, if limiting by location does not work for your search, that's okay. Just go through the list without limiting by location, and you're still likely to find articles from the United States. When you find an article that looks relevant to your search, click the title. This takes you to the full record for the article, including the abstract. Read the abstract to make sure a research study was conducted. Look to see that data was collected and analyzed. You might also see words like methods or results. You should also look for some indication that the research was conducted in the United States. To access the full article, look for a link for full text. In this case, in the upper right part of the screen, there's a button for Access Full Text. Click that to get to the full article. You may need to click a second link as well. If you have the option, always choose the PDF. The PDF version presents the article in its original published format, including page numbers and any images. As you're going through your results, for some articles, when you click the title, you'll go directly to the full text of the article. The abstract will be at the top. If the PDF version of the article is available in the upper left part of the screen, always choose that. In the upper right part of the screen, use the Download PDF button to download it. Another important feature is the Cite tool, which will provide a full citation for the article in a variety of citation styles, including APA and ASA. Keep in mind that these references are computer-generated and not always correct, so it's important to double-check them before you submit them. If you'd like to save a link to this record, use the Copy URL tool. Don't copy the URL from the browser's address bar because that link is temporary and will not work in the future. Click All Options to see additional tools, including the ability to email the record to yourself. We hope you've found this tutorial helpful. For further assistance with searching or any research question, the Middlesex College librarians are available to help. Please be sure to check out the library both in person and virtually.